Hello, my name is Dr. Priyadarshini Karve. I am the proprietor of a knowledge consultancy called Samuchit Envirotech, and I am an expert on urban sustainability and climate change issues. Right now, as people are seeing the air quality rising to 200 or above in Delhi, though it has gone through the roof. But even if we talk about Pune, the air quality is close to 200, which is hazardous. So everybody is thinking about what can I do to protect myself. Therefore, there is a craze of going for air purifiers and all kinds of gadgets which are supposed to protect us from this pollution. We have to realize that in India, our homes are not insulated. So there are always, even if you close all the doors and windows, there will always be air flows which are bringing outside air in the indoor environment. So air purifiers are not really an ultimate solution. It will give you some relief as long as you are inside the house, but nobody is going to be permanently inside a house with closed windows and doors. Every time you step out, you are going to be exposed to air pollution. There are now some kind of helmets and other gadgets, but those are also very limited solutions. So these are, the value for money is just not there, according to me. A better way to solve this problem is to actually address the sources and try to stop them, rather than going for all these gadgets. And ultimately, of course, one solution is that you leave a polluted city and go somewhere else. But rural areas are also equally polluted. There are just other sources. There is crop waste burning that is happening there. Cooking is happening in using firewood on chulhas. So there are other sources of pollution, air pollution in rural areas. It's just that the population there is less dense. Nobody is really measuring and tracking air quality in villages, and therefore it doesn't get talked about a lot. But there have been studies, particularly of household air pollution in rural areas, and the exposure levels are pretty alarming there also. In small cities, you may find the air quality better today, but in a few years, those cities are also going to be congested and face the same problems. So really, the only solution which will certainly solve this problem is for citizens to raise their voices, point out to the sources, and work together to reduce the pollution from the existing sources. Follow us on Instagram for most accurate scientific environmental information.